there, fellow adventurers! Welcome to our travel hacks and tips video, where we're going to share some insider secrets to make your next trip smooth, affordable, and unforgettable. Number 1. Packing smart. First up, packing smart. The key here is versatility. Choose clothing items that you can mix and match to create multiple outfits. And don't forget to roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space in your luggage. Save money on flights. Let's talk about saving money on flights. One of my favorite tricks is to use an incognito window when searching for flights online. Airlines can track your searches and raise prices if they see you're interested. Sneaky, right? Be flexible with your travel dates. Another tip is to be flexible with your travel dates. Flying midweek or during off-peak hours can often result in significant savings. Navigate airports like a pro. Always check in online and download your boarding pass to your phone to save time at the airport. And here's a bonus tip. Sign up for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry to breeze through security lines. Think beyond. Hotels. When it comes to accommodations, think beyond hotels. Websites like Airbnb or VRBO offer unique and often more affordable options, especially if you're traveling with a group. Research local transportation options. In many cities, public transit passes or bike rentals can be a budget-friendly way to get around. So, don't forget to research local transportation options. Safety first. Last but not least, safety first. Always keep a copy of your important documents, like your passport and travel insurance information, in a separate location from the originals. And be sure to stay aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. And there you have it, folks. With these travel hacks and tips, you'll be ready to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy travels as you pack your baggage for your upcoming journeys.